Now I will demonstrate to you how to ensure that your plant sushi are well watered. Okay, every plant sushi when you buy, it comes with a weed. It will actually self-watered when you put it in the product. When you fully extend the weed to the water compartment. But under certain circumstances, like for example a very hot weather, or when you power on your Botanicaire for 24 hours, you actually realize that some of the stones will get dry. And this is not good for your plants. The plants will actually die because it's not enough water. So, however, too much water will also kill the plants. And so, how do you determine what is the best water level? Over here, we actually have 4 scenarios. The first scenario, the dried stones. This kind of scenario, plants in it, they will definitely die within 1 or 2 days. How they will die? They will first wobble, become soft, and they slowly dry and die off. The second scenario, this is a wet ceramics but it's getting dry. It could be because of the high temperature or because of a high airflow that's blowing to the plant, to the stones, when you power on your Botanicaire for 24 hours. The third scenario, and this is a well-watered scenario, okay, the stones or the ceramics should appear reddish wet. Okay, as you can see here, the stones are actually has a glossy effect. It shows that it's actually quite wet. So this is well watered. And the last scenario is actually not a good one because it actually flooded the whole plant sushi. As you can see here, it's full of water. Your plants in it, they will also die in 1 or 2 days time. But how they will appear to be dying, they will actually not dry, but they will be like rotten leaves. Okay, so now you look at the second scenario. This is likely the case where you will see if you are experiencing high temperature or a high airflow. So we actually provide a dropper with every Botanicaire unit. So keep your dropper because you have to water them if such situation happen. Okay, and what you're going to do is just add water on the dried stones. Add a little bit more is fine because when the stones dry up, that means the water within the plant sushi is not enough. So add the water such that the stones become shiny again or wet. But take note, do not overwater the plant sushi. Okay. And also try not to spill the water towards the plastic side because the stones are actually dirty. It actually can cause your plant sushi to look dirty. So how to ensure that it's not over water? When you add water to the plant sushi, there will basically, if you overwater, there will be a layer of water residue right at the bottom. Just around 1 cm will do. Anything more than 1 cm, you actually affect your plant sushi and the plants. Okay, it's also important to keep your plant sushi wet but not over wet. Okay, the reason is because there are actually microbes inside, and these microbes live in the damp environment, a wet and damp environment. If the stones dry up like this, all your microbes will be dead. Even you add water, the plant survive, the plant will not be healthy because there's no microbes to give them fertilizer, and that will be the time where you have to change your plant sushi.